Store. You open your Play Store and then you ensure that the email you want to use is what you have set. You set it to it. You go to this place and click. You see where this arrow is? You click there, and then you see, you click, just in case, I don't know about your phone, but this is how mine shows. You click here, you understand, so that the list of emails on your phone can drop. Mine is already set to the email I want to use. So let's move ahead. Let's move ahead. You click on payments and subscription. Then you click on payment methods. You click on add credit or debit card. It's a very simple process. Let's wait for it. It's loading. It's not supposed to take this long. I believe it's network. Yeah, so you know what to add. You know, that long number on your card is what you will type in here. So me, I'm just doing one for the first time, so I needed you to see it. So I'll have to pause it so that you won't have to copy my numbers. So I've typed in my card numbers. No, I had to cover it. I've typed in my card numbers. Next is month and year. That's your expiry date on your card. And then this CVC, you turn the back of your ATM card. You see those three numbers? That is where you have to put it. So you type in those three numbers at the back of your ATM card. Alright? And then all these other options will come up. Nigeria, street address, absolutely, that one doesn't matter. Your city, your postal code, your state, you will need to change it to your state and all that. It is a very simple stuff. When you are done with it, you now click save. So when you are done, you just click save, and that's all.